This is why they think fishing might be.
Ernie, I think I'm working on my golf swing right now. I think I may have fixed.
You see a little earlier at the yow. It's stuck. It's stuck.
You stinky leg. Are you serious? Come on, man. You got the stanky leg. No, that's like somebody taking a jumper like this. Like, come on, man. No one in the world will fall like that. Hey, man, who are you emulating? I'm sorry, man. I'm struggling right now.
We are just happy that retirement is not in the immediate future.
Oh, I love coming to work.